Aikia akura othe nio matanyitwo guthurima kana nimeyandikithie hamwe na uhoro megie kahinda-ini ga thiku mirongo itatu ciukite. Mihang'o yo kiambiriria wa kana ginyagia tariki 9 mweri ukite.
I guess we are ready.
Kamiti ya githurano IEBC na mashini 10,000 iri igithagania Mihang'o ino.
We want to make sure that we have an accurate register. We want to make sure that we have a legitimate register that all of you and all Kenyans will be happy with, and that is where we want to have as many people as possible go out there. Remember that it's not just the biometric verification, it is also looking and seeing if you have some disputed voters on the list.
Akenya makiendekana gwikinyia kiumbe ceceni-ini meyandikithirie mari na kibandi kana passport na kadi ya kura iria meyandikithitie nacio. Na Akenya aria mari nja ya bururi-ini ma Burundi, Rwanda, Afrika ya muhuro, Tanzania na Uganda na makambiriria guthurima tariki 15 nginyagia 30 mweri uyu.
It's imperative that the same register being audited by KPMG is the same that voters are using to verify biometrically. The purpose of the two parallel processes is to give the Commission every opportunity to improve the accuracy of the register of voters.
Na gutire Akenya megwitikirio kwiyandikithia nginyagia thutha wa githurano kinene giukite.
We are aware we have had concerns of people wondering why we didn't do it for all the 41,000 polling stations. There are two reasons. One, we have not yet really finalized the demarcation of all the polling stations, and the second aspect really is that we're using the same model that we did during the registration to ensure that we have as much coverage as possible.
Na kamiti no ya githurano ni ongereire kahinda ga ciama cia kiuteti kunena maritwa ma aria makarirukia fed na ciama-ini icio. Mihang'o yo iria irari irikio gukinyiria wa gatatu tariki 10 riu ina kahinda kaginyagia tariki 14 mweri uyu. IEBC ikiongerera kahinda kau kumana na macira maria mari mbere ya kamiti thurane ciama-ini cia kiuteti. Gukinyira riu kuri na macira matanyire 213 ithanitio. Na kamiti ino niteteire ikinya ria guthomia maabitha ake mwerekereini wa githurano kinene giukite. IEBC ikauga ikinya riri ni guthingatithia waraganu hindi ya githurano kiu. Na ikinya riri riukite riri Mihang'o ya guthurima register ya Aikia akura irathie na mbere register itanyitwo gukahitukio ni gikaro kia bunge ri njira ya guthingatithia waraganu hindi ya githurano gia tariki 8 wa kanana. Ngiribotera Inoro TV ritora kuna macharia wa gachuru.